we try to dramatize in the dance itself. By the very birth, women are not wanted. Girl childs are killed. In India, particularly in Tamil Nadu, it's happening so much. We want to work against that. And when they are young, Dalit girls cannot go for the schools and all. They have no security. Sexually, they are used, and their life is finished with that. That's happening in the society. Then when they come up in life, when they get settled in the marriage life, because of the dowry problem, they are killed. In the working place, they are treated because of the sex, they get very less wages. The same work, men and women may be doing that. Men get more wages, women get less wages. Also, politically, if we take, they cannot be a powerful leader. We may speak about the chief minister, prime minister, they are women. Yes, that is different than the working class people. When we come down to the working class people, what's happening normally to the women, they cannot take any lead. If they come up in the society, they are not allowed, they are disturbed in so many ways. So we try to explain all these things by dramatizing in our play, and we want to communicate to the people that we have not taken this instrument in our hand to announce the death news of our people. But we would like to communicate to you that no more killing should take place for our women.
நாள் முதல் பெண்ணின் வாழ்வில் துவங்குகிறது வாழ்க்கை போராட்டம். வாழப்போகும் பெண்களுக்கு புகுந்த வீட்டிலும் வாழ்வோடு போராட்டம்.